the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. Let's go. we are in the green. We are making money with this coin. So let's look, first and foremost, I want to look at the Ether scan. And I want to look to see if there's anything new or any new holdings, or if Coinbase or Binance is buying. I don't see anything new. The Binance Peg token wallet is still holding 12.8 million, so there's no movement there. Again, this is just a wallet, so keep that in mind. This doesn't necessarily mean that Binance is buying. It might mean that maybe they're buying, but again, this is just people it might be people buying and just holding it on Binance, so just keep that in mind. Kind of like crypto.com, this is just their wallets that are holding the Dogelon Mars. Anyway, that's why I'm very careful, and I like to say that this wallet is holding this much. But again, this is a good indicator, because look, like if you're an exchange and if you're working with $17 million, that doesn't involve the Polynex bullcrap that always inflated the price. For those that know, they want to cash in on this trading volume. This is exactly what happened with Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and in my opinion, Dogelon Mars is the next big meme coin. And I'm mostly saying that because I'm in it, right? Luckily, I bought in at these lows, so I'm really happy. And where do I think it's headed? Well, I'll tell you. I'll tell you exactly my game plan with Dogelon Mars. So first of all, let's look at the RSI. And it doesn't matter that the RSI is up here, because for the last year or 6 months, whatever, we've been talking about this. You want to always dollar cost average down. So in a bear market, you always want to buy when the RSI is oversold. Okay, so RSI oversold. And for the most part, 99% of the time, the price action makes lower lows. So just keep in mind, that's obviously an indicator that you know that you're in a bear market. There was a pivotal change as of January 2024, where for the first time since, for like 2 years, the RSI, actually the oversold area was made a higher low, right? So the same thing is flipped on the upside. So, that's why, like, for those that bought here are up like ridiculously on their investment, as they should be, because you followed basic math, right? Anyway, so RSI, stock RSI is reset. This is great. RSI is no longer overbought, but again, keep in mind that the same thing goes for when it's in the green. And the point I was trying to make is that when we're in a bull market, it will stay in the green. So it will stay up here, and it'll just make higher highs. So now now basically we're like, okay, well, Crypto Analysis, where is Dogelon Mars going? Well, I'll tell you where it's going. Because right now what we're doing is we're banking on trading volume. We're banking on the fact that it's not listed on big exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. And we're banking on the development of Rufus chain and the new developers actually putting utility to the coin. And also they're coming out probably with burning. So there's a lot of good stuff that's coming out for this coin. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer for exchanges to want to cash in on this trading volume. But again, that's what our hopes are. So now let's see how high they can go. So you always want to, I actually do want to also show you the logarithmic and show you that we did break out of this this pattern, this downtrend. So can we come back and use it as support? Absolutely not. I don't think so. But we did break out of it, so this is great. And this literally was what, 2021. This was 2.5 years. Wait. Oh my God. Was it 2.5 years? October. Yeah, 2.5 years. Almost 3 years. That's insane. So what I like to do is I like to take my fib from the high to the low, We're not going to be bullish, macro bullish until we get over the 236 at 7. It's really important to note this. So where I think it's headed again is it's at least going to hit the 618 at 1690, which is around a 3.5x from the current price. From down here, for whoever bought and believed in the coin, aka me and I know a couple other people, that's around a 12x. So it wouldn't be bad if you secured profits between 618 and the 786. And the reason why I'm saying that, and I'm not saying that this is going to happen for Dogelon Mars, but look, having a realistic look on Dogelon Mars, I don't think that it's going to get stuck. And the reason why I'm getting that is because for those that have been here for the last two bull runs, 2018, 2021, know like that some coins didn't break their all-time highs. And again, the reason why I don't think that's going to happen for Dogelon Mars is because we're not even listed on any big exchanges. We have a lot of room for growth, and there's a lot of potential with this coin. So there's a lot of good stuff coming out for this coin. That's why I don't think that it's just going to get stuck, especially with trading volume coming in and more exchanges listing Dogelon Mars. But for example, XRP, XLM, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, they all like I held XLM, and XLM never made never broke its all-time high. So going with the same logic into this, had I actually known that I was going to do this because of that, I would have sold XLM at its 618 to A786 retracement at 80 cents, even though the all-time high was $1. But of course, I diamond hands did, and I got absolutely wrecked, right? So you again just keep that in mind. That's always a story that I tell. Anyway, so I think that this is a good play. I think that realistically, the target is going to be the 1618 to the 2618. Anything over that is just gravy, but that's a really big move up. So that is around a 10 to 17x from the current price. And to put things into perspective for you, that's going to put the market cap still under 5 billion. So if you guys are going to sell and secure profits at around the 2618 and 618, just know that that's not even coming close to what Dogecoin did and what Shiba Inu did, because they went to 80 billion, 50 billion. So that's another like 50x from that current price. So this is life-changing money if this does actually gain traction and do what Shiba Inu and Dogecoin did. So again, you don't want to get stuck with like not having a game plan or selling some and securing a profit and whatnot, because again, this is life-changing money. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Also, keep in mind that this coin is called Doge Elon Mars, and the ticker is ELON. So there are a lot of fanboys and a lot of people that support Elon Musk, and this is a play off of him. So again, there's a lot of good stuff going for Dogelon Mars. Those are my targets. That's my game plan. That's hopefully in the next 2 to 4 years, I could be a millionaire, and with the amount that I aped in, I think that's very possible. But again, who knows? This might absolutely go to zero. Always keep that in mind. So if your risk tolerance isn't good, you should probably just not be in crypto. Or if you want to diamond hands it with me, then I really hope you bought in here, because there's no way I'm going to say, oh man, right now is a good time to buy. Like my friend, I always tell him to buy crypto, and he's like, man, is it a good time to buy now? And it's so funny how it works, because everyone's like, for like the last 2 years, people like that are like, no, I'm not going to buy. But then like as soon as they start going up, it's like, oh, okay, well, I'm going to buy now. It's like, well, don't buy now, because look, we're overbought. Like you want to really buy at retracements. Oh, I guess let me show you guys a short-term target, or sorry, where it needs to stay above. Damn. So Dogelon Mars needs to basically stay above the 382 at 32 to maintain a bullish short-term bullish trend. And the next target up would be the 45 that we hit, and then the 55. And then once we break that, then once we break the 55, we are probably going to be macro bullish. And once we're macro bullish, just hang tight because we're going to go flying. The moves are going to be big. So again, expect retracements and pullbacks like any coin. But for those that like dollar cost average down and bought in, it doesn't really matter because we're already up 3 times on our investment, right? 2 to 3 times on our investment. So there's no point unless you're trying to secure profits, but that's up to you. That's your guys' game plan. I'm telling you mine. So please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.